I rise today on questions of personal and collective privilege. First is to recognize and honor a group of public servants whose dedication and sacrifice often go unseen. Our last termer barangay officials. And second is a matter that concerns the safety, mobility, and preparedness of our province as we enter the rainy season, the status of drainage systems across the province of La Union. For our last termer barangay officials, Madam Presiding Officer, in the next few months, many of our elected barangay officials, punong barangays and kagawads, will be ending their service. Some have served for 3 terms, some for 9 years, and others even longer. They were the government closest to the people. Madam Presiding Officer, and now that their term is ending, many of them will go back to being ordinary citizens or will be entering another public service position with no retirement pay, no pension, and often with personal funds they use just to serve. That is why at the proper time, I respectfully move that this Sanggunian adopt a resolution recognizing and commending all outgoing last-termer barangay officials in the province of La Union for their exemplary service and dedication to their barangays, and respectfully requesting the provincial government through the Office of the Governor and the Provincial Budget Office to grant recognition to our last-termer barangay officials. This may include a certificate of recognition signed by the Governor and the SP, and a token of appreciation. And another one is a priority in livelihood, skills training, and employment programs of the province of La Union. Madam Presiding Officer, this is not a dole out. This is a thank you. A small way of saying nakita at na-appreciate namin ang sakripisyo ninyo. Our barangay officials are the backbone of governance. If we want good governance to continue, we must take care of those who started it at the grassroots. Let us show our barangay officials that public service is honored in La Union, that even after their term ends, the province remembers them. I ask for the support of my colleagues for this motion. Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer. Mabuhay ang ating mga magigiting na barangay officials at mabuhay ang La Union. And another one is for the status of drainage system in the province of La Union. Madam Presiding Officer, Pag-asa has already declared the start of the rainy season. We are expecting more frequent rains, flooding, and possible entry of 5 to 8 tropical cyclones in the coming months. Every year, we face the same problem: flooded national roads, submerged communities, and heavy traffic, not always because of the strength of the rain, but because of our drainage systems are clogged, damaged, or neglected. Madam Presiding Officer, the mandate to maintain drainages along national roads lies with the DPWH, La Union 1st and 2nd District Engineering Offices. However, the impact of flooding is felt by the provincial government, our LGUs, and most importantly, our constituents. We should not wait for a disaster to happen before we act. Under Section 16 of RA 7160, the General Welfare Clause, and under RA 10121, the Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act, prevention must come before response. Therefore, at the proper time, Madam Presiding Officer, I respectfully move that this Sanggunian adopt a resolution respectfully requesting the DPWH, La Union 1st and 2nd District Engineering Offices to submit to this body a comprehensive status report on all drainage systems along national roads in La Union. The report should include location, current condition, date of last maintenance, and flood-prone areas. and urging the DPWH in coordination with the provincial government and LGUs to immediately assess and make all drainages rainy ready. Through the silting, declogging, repair, and clearing operations before the peak of the rainy season. Madam Presiding Officer, rainy ready means when it rains, roads should remain passable. When there is flooding, the water should recede quickly. This is a call for partnership, not blame. This is preparation for the welfare of our constituents. I ask for the support of my colleagues for this immediate approval of this proposed resolution. Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer. Mabuhay ang La Union.